I'm Dr. Natalie Gameau. I own the iDoc Group and 2020 Las Vegas. We wanted to basically give better customer service, better turnaround times. So we came up with the idea of developing a lab. That's when Satisloh came into play. We are really happy with what we chose. We are state-of-the-art technology, the ART blocker, the ART blocker. So we are all the way fully autonomous optical lab.
My name is Luis Flores. I am co-founder of T.E.D Optical Lab. I am an optician, and we always noticed there was something missing right in the industry. It wasn't the quality of the lens, it was more of the customer service. So just like Satisloh is great at customer service, we wanted to be that partner for others. The main reason we came up with the lab idea was to not only help our own retail offices, also to help the rest of the industry, opticians, optometrists. People have responded really well, and we've been growing because we're there for them.
The way we chose Satisloh, that was a big thing. We went to Mido and we checked out all the different types of equipment. There's so many different manufacturers, but we chose Satisloh for the reason being that they provide great customer service. The support they had, the reassurance that we will be helped whenever we needed the help, and that's why we ended up choosing Satisloh.
So like Natalie said, we chose Satisloh because of the customer support. On the build-up, Satisloh was here. It was honestly 2 to 3 weeks. They never missed. After everything was set up, we went ahead and started touching the machines, making sure that everything was flowing and working the way that it needs to be.